The earth was drowning in corruption, and the skies split with rage. Rain fell, not drops, but a cosmic torrent. 40 days, 40 nights. Mountains vanished, cities swallowed. While humanity screamed, one lone vessel rose above the chaos. Noah's Ark saw inside. Beasts of every kind roared and fought as thunder tore the heavens. Was it salvation, or a prison adrift in endless death? Indeed, when the waters finally receded, the world was never the same. A flood that cleansed or condemned.